Hey, YouTube, Martin Morris, 202BTobroke.com, 202BTobroke.com, building a $150 million business. My name's Martin. Make sure you subscribe. This is a special message out to our homeowners. There are 40,000 home insurance policies canceled last month by State Farm. The month or two before that, another 20,000 were canceled by Allstate and some other insurance companies. If you lose your home insurance in California, and can't find anyone else to insure you, you can use the California Fair Player Plan. So make sure you subscribe. Before you use your home insurance policy to pay for any basic repairs, I recommend you get a handyman. Martin Morris, subscribe. I'll get you in contact with some quality contractors to help you with your house. If you use your insurance policy 3 times, it will be canceled. 3 times. Subscribe. If you're a homeowner who wants to learn more.